SuperSeal Insulation was opened in September of 2006 by my partner Manny Margaretin and myself. I actually worked for Manny in his office. Manny came up to me one day and said if I can do some research on an insulation company. And I did my research as a worker. When I was done, he offered me if I want to open a company together with him. Since we joined the CEE, which was the first year CEE was rated, we've had continuous support from Owens Corning. Whenever we had any question on installation types or certain installs or needed help with anything, we always had someone to ask to and got the right answers. Quality is important to the business because it makes you stand out from your competitor. The steps that we do to make sure that our quality is there, first of all, by training our guys properly. The guys knowing what to do. The guys knowing that every job gets checked afterwards, especially with new codes and requirements that certain towns have with fire stop, and every inspector is different. Having a quality company do the job is something that builders do appreciate.